Hi, my name is Teresa, and I am addicted to junk journal supplies. I have more coming tomorrow. I have pretty washies, more pretty washies, and more washies coming tomorrow. I have this book filled with ephemera stickers that a lot of it I probably won't use, but it's so pretty I have to buy it. And then another little book that has really cute little clusters. I mean, hello. And then I don't even know what's in this, and I can't even get it open. But that's okay, because it's cute little stickers inside. And then there's this, 500 pieces. Does anyone really need 500 pieces? Look at all that goodness. Yes, I have an addiction, and I have more coming tomorrow. Does anyone else have this problem? Let me know.